Your sister baby. Huh? Your baby? You have a baby? Hello, baby. So you want also to study? Very good, very good.
She is so cute.
Okay, now, welcome to our science.
Teacher, baby, we go.
Yeah, baby, we go. Teacher, prepare first your book. Yeah, you prepare your book. This one. Open the book to page number 3. Okay. Page number 3. Okay. Okay. So, hello, Fafa. Hi. By Boa and Jeffrey.
What?
Hello. I say hello. I need to say hi. Good afternoon. Okay. Are you ready? Is your book ready? Okay, your book ready? Okay, open it to page number 3. Jepsy? Jepsy? Have you prepared your book, Jepsy? Jepsy, open it to page number 4. Hello, Ka. Good afternoon. Okay, so let us start now. Are you ready for our science?
Yes.
Okay, now let us start. I prepared this one for you. Okay, now just a minute. Okay. Welcome to our science class.
You can violin, same you can study.
So let us start.
Okay.
This is our topic for today. Activities cause the heart to beat fast and slow. Okay?
Go.
Our topic for today. This is in page number 3. This is in page number 3. Okay? Now let's go.
Okay.
Okay, you have to listen to this one first. I want you first to listen to this one and help us understand why our
Hi guys, do you want to try something neat? Take these 2 fingers, now hold them on the side of your neck, right next to your throat. If you hold them still for just a moment, you'll start to feel something bumping around in there. That is your pulse, the feeling of blood moving through your body. And that means you're actually feeling your heart beating. Your heart is always beating all day and all night, even when you're asleep. It can never take a break because it has a very important job. It moves your blood all around your body. And your heart can do that because it's actually a muscle. You have muscles all over your body that help you move, like muscles in your legs that you can use to run and muscles in your jaw for chewing yummy food. But your heart is the hardest working muscle of them all. Now make a fist with your hand. That's about how big your heart is. It may seem kind of small, but it's incredibly strong. And it's the constant squeezing of your heart muscle that keeps all that blood flowing. But why does your blood have to move around in the first place? Well, you can think of your blood as working kind of like a delivery truck. It carries lots of what your body needs in order to keep going, especially oxygen. You've probably heard of it before. Oxygen is the gas in the air that people and a lot of other animals need to live. When you breathe in, you're bringing oxygen into your lungs, and your blood is there to soak up all that oxygen, and with the help of your heart, send it all over your body, to your head and to your feet, and everywhere in between. As your blood gets pumped around, all of the different parts of your body take the oxygen from it, and they use it to do their jobs, whether that's making your leg muscles move so you can run, or helping your stomach take care of that sandwich you had for lunch. But your body also has a bunch of stuff that it needs to get rid of, especially a gas called carbon dioxide. So after your blood drops off its shipment of oxygen, it also picks up that waste. and hauls it off. When your blood gets back to your heart, it gets pushed to the lungs once again, where the blood drops off the carbon dioxide and picks up more oxygen. So when you breathe in, you're breathing in oxygen that goes into your blood. And when you breathe out, you're breathing out the carbon dioxide that your body has gotten rid of. Now, it sounds like a long journey, but your heart can pump blood to every part of your body in less than 1 minute. And your heart beats at least 100,000 times every day. So at any point during your day, your heart is sending blood to your lungs and out to the rest of your body and back to your lungs again, all at once. That's some serious work. But have you ever noticed your heart beating faster when you've been running around for a while? That's your heart working extra hard. When you're running, jumping, and playing around, your body needs more oxygen and other nutrients to do that extra work. So your heart has to work harder to send all of those good things to the parts of your body that need them and to get rid of all the extra waste. So the more you exercise your body, the more you exercise your heart. Now, who's up for some jumping jacks to get our hearts beating faster? And if there's something that you'd like to learn more about, just let us know by asking an adult to help you. Leave a comment below or email us.
You like this video? You understand it? Yes. Okay, that is how. And you see our heart?
Teacher, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Marin. So you see our heart? Okay, now let us continue. Okay, I will show you this one. Okay, this one is our heart, right? This is our heart. Can you say, can you give me your heart sign? Can you give me your heart sign? This is heart, okay? Can you do it? Can you do it, Papa? Okay, Marie, I want to see your heart sign. Jepsy, I want to see your heart sign. Yes, like that. Jepsy, I want to see your heart, Jepsy. I want to see your heart sign, Jepsy. Look at this one, Jepsy. Okay, Marine. Okay, very good. So okay, this is our heart. Okay. Okay. So how we can take care of our heart? Okay, we need to take care of our heart. Okay, we need to keep our heart healthy and happy. How to keep our heart happy? How we can have a happy heart? You want to have a happy heart? Happy heart. Yes, you want to heart because our heart is happy. So in order for us to make our heart happy, we need to take care of it. We need to take care of our heart. Okay? So we will not be so we need to take care of our heart by drinking plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water. Hi. Proud. Hi, good afternoon, Proud. Good afternoon, Proud. Is it Proud, right? Proud. This is your Proud. Okay, Proud, prepare your book, Proud. And prepare your science book, Proud. Okay, prepare your science book and open it to page number 3, Proud. Okay, Proud. Your science book, page number 3. Okay, Proud. Okay, now let's continue. So, okay, in order for us to have a happy heart, we need to take care of our heart. Okay? Take care of our heart. We need to drink. Look at this picture. Have you seen this one? Okay, have you seen this one? We need to drink plenty of water. Have you seen the water? He is drinking plenty of water. So he has, if you want to have a happy heart, you need to drink plenty of water because our heart needs water. Okay? We need to drink plenty of water. Yes, that one, Proud. Okay, look at here now, Proud, and listen, Proud. Okay? And if you can drink plenty of water, your heart will be very happy and you can have a happy heart. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this picture. Have you seen this picture? you have to eat lots of fruits and vegetables.
ดูนะไม่ใช่ให้นั่งหลับนะให้นั่
You
งดู
need to
นะ
have,
ไม่ใช่นั่ง
you
หลับ
need to
เขาเปิดอยู่นะ
eat lots of fruits. You need to choose to eat healthy
ตาขาวไม่เข้าเรื่อง
If you want to have a happy heart, you need to choose to eat healthy foods. You have to eat fruits and vegetables. Okay, have you said? The heart is smiling. The heart is smiling because it is happy. Because you are eating fruits. You are eating vegetables. That's why your heart is so happy. Okay? So we all need to take care of our heart. Okay? So we can have a
เราทำกิจกรรมอะไรที่
happy
หัวใจเรา
heart.
เต้น
Now
แรง
let's go to this picture. Okay?
ๆเหมือนเราเหนื่อย
Okay. So let's go to this picture. Let's go to this picture of
ป่าหรือ
box
นอนไม่เป็นหัวใจจะเต้นแรง
upstairs. So we need to do some exercise. And then the first and your and then after that when I ask your question, so you can hear me clear.
เพราะอันนี้เหงื่อโชก
Then just open your audio when I ask
จะ
you
เต้นแรง
a
ก็
question.
ฟังที่เนี่ย
Off first
อย่า
your
ชี้ช
audio. Can you off first your audio? Off first your audio and just open it when I ask you a question, so you can hear me clear. Off first your audio. Yes, can you off first your audio? So you can understand and you can hear me clear. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, walk
อันไหนบ้างเนี่ย
there.
ดู
So
วัน
you
นี้
need to have
ดู
a
ดู
walk.
อะไร
Who likes to walk
มันสอนหนังสือไหมไปงั้นไปนอนดูตรงนู้นถ้ามันสอนหนัง
We
สือ
need
ก็
to
ไป
do
ดูตรง
some
นู้น
exercise so we can have a happy heart. Okay? We need to do some exercise. We need to go walking. We need to go some running. Okay? We need to do some exercise. We need to move our body so we can have a happy heart. Because if we can move our body, the heart will pump very good. The heart will pump fast. Okay? So we need to move our body. We need to do some exercise so we can have a happy heart. Okay?
อาม่า
Okay, now this part is plenty of exercise. Look at this part. Look at this one. Have you seen? Doing an exercise. He is playing. The heart is playing. If you are playing, it means your heart is happy. If you are playing, if you are moving your body, your heart is happy. You can have a happy heart. Okay? So we need to do some exercise in order for our heart to be happy. Okay? And we need to stay slim. Okay? We need to stay
นั่นคือทำให้หัวใจมีความสุข
so our heart can work our body very
ที่นอนอย่างเงี้ย
good.
รีบอยู่ตรงไหนในเนี้ย
Okay? So keep active. You need to keep. But this one
บล็อ
is
กอัพเสร็จแล้ว
he's doing. He is playing many things. Okay? Look at this one. He is so. His heart is so happy. Okay? Heart is so happy because he do some exercise.
yeah
Okay?
กินน้ำ
Exercise like jumping. Okay? Can you? If you will just sit like
นิด
that.
เดียว
เอาไม่เขียนไว้แล้วเราจะรู้ไหมเราจะจบ
Okay, if we will just sit like that, our
รถ
heart
เค็ม
is
วัน
not
นี้
beating
ป้าทำอ
so
ยู่
fast. I want you to check now. First,
แบบ
I
ที่
want
ที่
you
มัน
to
เอ
hold
เค
here.
นะ
จะ
I
ไป
want you, all of you, Papa.
มันเล็กกัน
Papa, you can feel your heartbeat here. You can do it. Let's do it.
ตัวอะไรต่อ
Can you do it, Papa? You can feel your heartbeat here. Okay, put your
ใส่
hands.
แว่นไปดูไม่
Okay,
ไม่
like
ก็
that. Okay, Gypsy, look at here. Look at here, Gypsy. Put your hands.
ก็
Put
ขึ้น
your
แล้ว
two
ทำทาง
fingers
คู
here.
เคยขึ้น
Yes,
มา
two
ทำคูสอง
fingers.
นิ้ว
Put it here.
เห็นไหม
Yes.
สอง
Put
นิ้
it
ว
here at the right side. Right side. Okay, Marine. Put your two fingers here like that. May
right
bawa.
side ข้างขวา
May baka may bawa.
right
Okay,
side
put
ข้าง
your
ข
two
วา
fingers here at the right side.
Why?
Like that. Oh, just put it like that. Okay, also, proud. Can you do it proud?
ทำอย่างครู
You can feel your heartbeat.
รู้สึกยังไงบ้างอะไร
Is your
จับ
heart-
จับ
is your
จับ
heart
คอ
beat
ข้างขวาแล้วรู้
fast
สึก
or
ยังไง
slow?
แล้วหายใจเข้าออก
Is your
ช้า
heart
ๆอะไรดูซิ
beating
ทำไง
fast
รู้
or
สึกยังไง
slow?
เกิดอะไรขึ้นเลย
You can
ดี
feel
ขึ้
it.
นค่ะแม่เอาเนี่ยไปเจอเข้า
That.
เป็นอะไรมีอะไรเต้นตัดไหม
You can hear
นี่
your
มันจะ
heart.
มีชีพจรอยู่ลูกชีพจรตึ๊กตึ๊กตึ๊กอยู่ตรงคอรู้สึก
You
ไหม
can hear it.
ตึกไหมจับ
Okay.
ดี
ข้างขวาข้างขวาใบบัวข้างขวา
Because, okay,
ได้ยิน
you
เปิด
know,
จับ
you
เลย
see, because we are
And
just
feel.
sitting, because we are just
กินแล้ว
sitting, you cannot hear,
ค่อย
you cannot feel so much your heartbeat, okay? Because we are still sitting.
หัวใจมันอยู่ได้
ก็ไม่ได้มีหัวใจนี่คือชีพจรชีพจรสองนิ้วอย่างนี้นี่แกส่งนี้ตักไป
After a while, we will exercise and we have to check our heartbeat again, okay? Okay, so we need to, you need to check now and then we will check again later, okay? We will do some exercise after this one. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome, boy. Okay. How does the heart beat? How does the heart
ดู
beat fast? Okay. This is the question. How does the heart beat
ทำไม
fast?
หัวใจทำงานหนักดู
How does the heart beat fast? Okay.
เขียนข้างบนไหม
Here is what happened.
เนี่ยเนี่ย
Here is what happened. The faster your body moves. Okay, look at here. Look at here. I will read this one for you. The faster your body moves, the more oxygen it takes for your body function. This means your body has to work harder and faster if your body oxygen it needs. Okay? So you need to, to get it there faster, the heart has to pump faster, just like a car speeds up when you give it gas. Okay? So our heart needs a lot of care. Our heart needs a lot of care to make our heart happy and healthy heart. So we can have a happy and a healthy heart. Okay? Okay. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Why does the heart beat slowly? Why does the heart beat slowly? Okay, look at this one. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, again, I will read this one for you and you have to listen, okay? Okay. It means that the heart's natural pacemaker isn't working, okay? Right? Or that the electrical pathways of the heart are disrupted. Sometimes the heart thinks that it doesn't pump enough blood to meet the body's needs, okay? This can cause symptoms such as if you will not do exercise, we will not take care of our heart. Okay, this one can cause a symptom such as feeling dizzy or weak. Okay, sometimes, some cases it can be life-threatening. So we need, all of us, we need to take care of our. We need to take care of our
นี้อะไร
You want to have a happy heart, right? So let's do some exercise. Look at this one. Look at this picture. They are playing. So if they are playing, they are moving their body. Okay? So what will happen to your heart if you will move? If you will move. So before we start, you can feel your heartbeat, right? Now this one, we are playing. And can you stand up and let us all jump together? Stand up. Can you jump with me? Okay. And you can check again how if we can feel our heartbeat. Okay?
Oh.
Can you stand up? Oi, Gypsy, Marine, stand up. Can you stand up, please? And stand up. Let us check again if we can feel our heartbeat. Okay, everybody stand up.
Stand up ยืนบนไม่ยืนดีๆที่จะยืนตรงไหนกันเนี่ย
Okay, just a minute, okay? I will just
ยืนตรงๆก็
okay.
ในบัวยังไม่มายืนให้ดี
Okay, now let us start. Let us
ๆเอาลงมา
do it again. Stand up.
เอาลงจะลงข้างล่างจะลง
We are going to check if you can the pulse of your heart, okay?
แล้ว
Now
ให้
let's
ยืน
go.
เมื่อไหร่จะยืน
Jump together, okay? Let's start from 1 up to 10. Are you ready? Jump.
ทำยังครูได้
Jump. Okay, let's jump. 1 up to 10. 1,
1, 2, 3,
มือ
4,
กลัวสนใจนะ
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
okay?
ต้องไปบัวนะ
And you walk. Okay,
น้องแล้วนะ
4, 5.
ต้องตื่น
Just move. 1, 2, or just move your body. Let us move our body. Okay? And can we run? Can we run?
วิ่งเหรอ
What
ชอบวิ่งอย่างนี้เหรอยายอย่าง
ดู
นี้
ที่วิ่งมาดูระยะอะไร
อ๋อวิ่งวิ่งชุบแล้ววิ่ง
ไม่ต้องออกปากวิ่งเฉย ๆเขาวิ่งกันอยู่เนี่ยเห็นไหม
Okay. Very good. Papa, very good. My Papa, very good. Okay, Calvin, very stand up.
เต้งสะบัดมืออย่างครูนะ
Yes,
เอ
very
อ
good.
มันจะปิดพัดลมทำเพื่ออะไร
Can you stand up, Jeffrey? Okay. Okay, now let us check our heartbeat. If you can feel it. You can feel your heartbeat now
ข้างขวามันชื้น
because we are moving fast.
เอาสิทีนี้เอามือไปจับข้างขวาเหมือนเดิมที่ยังครูทำนะ
You can feel it. Or you can put
ขวา
it
อยู่ไหน
here.
โน่นที่เชิดขวา
Okay. Your heart. Oh, I can feel my heart beating so
ข้างข
fast.
วา
Is your heart beating so fast
แล้วมันเต้น
now?
แรงไหม
yes
เออ
Is
ก็
it
บอกครู
beeping?
ไปสิ
it's fast
Yes, very good. So we can. Yes. Now our heart beats faster because we are moving. Okay.
เรากระโดดไปแล้วใช่ไหม
Keep our body healthy. We need to do some exercise
วิ่งไปแล้ว
in order
เรา
for us
ยังไม่กินข้าวอีก
our
ฟัง
heart.
ฟัง
Okay.
ก็นอนไปแล้ว
Keep our heart happy. Our heart will high if we will do some exercise. Okay, now let's go to this one. Can you tell me
เขียนหรือ
or
ยัง
is this
เขียน
picture
ไว้ที่เอ็กซ์
the heart, your heart is beating fast or
เขียนไว้
slow?
นี่เขียนแค่ตรงนี้
I want you now to check your book. Okay, because you are going to answer now this one. I want you to check this picture. We are
ครูบอกให้
playing.
ทำอะไรในดินในเนี้ย
Now, what can you, are their heart fast or slow?
สีแดงมาสีแดง
Fast
กับสี
or
เขียว
slow? Can you answer this one? I want you to answer this
ให้
one.
อย่าง
The heartbeat of this picture, fast or slow?
fast or slow?
This one, you have to answer me. Fast or
ขีด
slow?
ถูกสีเขียวที่กิจกรรม
Fast
ทำให้หั
if
ว
you
ใจ
are
เต้นแร
playing,
ง
your heartbeat will
ขีดถูกอันไหนที่ทำให้
well
กิจกรรม
pump.
เต้นแรงหัวใจเต้นแรงไหน
Your
ที่
heartbeat
ถู
will
กเป็นแร
pump.
ง
ยายโทษค่ะยายสีแดงค่ะที่ทำให้หัวใจเต้นแรงสีเขียวคือหัวใจเต้นช้าๆสบาย
สีแดง
ๆ
สีแดงจะเต้นแรง
Okay, I will give you the answer of this one is
แล้วเวลา
fast.
แล้วให้ขีด
หัวใจ
นะ
เต้นแรง
Of this is
เขาที่คิดแล้ว
fast.
เราไม่สนใจ
Okay,
นี่
look at this
เต้นแร
one.
งเพราะว่า
Look at your facts now. You have
แดง
to
อ่ะ
answer in your
หัวใจเต้นแรงขีดถูกสีแดงหัวใจเต้นช้าๆสบายๆขีดถูกสีเขียว
the picture
เขียว
is showing that
สี
the
แดง
heart
ขีดเลย
beat fast. You
หัวใจ
have
เต้น
to
แรง
color
สี
it
แดง
color
โอ้
red.
สีไม่
You have to color it color red.
บอกให้นี่ก็
เอา
นี่
คัลเลอร์ก็ได้ยายค่ะ
Have you answered?
ระบายสีแดงก็ได้
This
ค่ะระบายสีแดง
picture,
ในช่องสี่เหลี่ยม
เอาสี
ระ
มา
บาย
ระบาย
สีเขียวในช่องสีเขียว
Okay, you can check if they are if the heart of
แดงมาสีแดงกับสีเขียวออกมา
เต้นแรง
สีแดงอันนี้สีแดง
or
ตัว
slow.
หนังสือก็สีเขียว
All you
ระ
have
บาย
to
สี
do
เขียว
is
เอ
to
อ
color the color here in the back. Color
Need to do
red for fast, color green for slow. Okay, let's go to the next picture. How about this one? Fast or slow? If they are playing like this, okay, jumping.
ก็ระบายสี
If
แด
they
ง
are playing like this,
สีแดงอันนี้ก็สีเขียว
beat
เขียว
fast or
สี
slow?
เขียวนี่มาสบายเนี่ย อันนี้เหนื่อย
Is their heart beat fast in this picture here? Is their heart beat fast or slow?
จะเก็บใหม่แล้วยังไม่จุก
Huh? Fast? You can tell me. Fast,
มาก
slow. Fast is red, slow is green.
โอเค
So, okay. Can you answer this one? If you are playing like this, what will happen to your heart?
โอเค
Your
ไม่หรอ
heart
ไม่
will
หรอ
pump.
ไม่หรอไม่หรอตัวไหน
If you are playing like this,
ส
what
บาย
will
สบาย
happen
ก็
to
สี
your
เขียว
heart? If you are
นอนร้อง
playing,
เพลงสบายหัวใจไม่เต้นแรงไงเมื่อกี้นี่เราโดนแล้วเหนื่อยใช่ไหมเหนื่อยก็
okay?
สีแดง
You have to, your heart in this picture will beat or pump,
ไม่สบายระบายที่
okay? Fast.
ท
So you have to color this
Yeah.
one, color
Maybe can,
red.
maybe.
If it is fast, if you can feel that this game or what
If
they are
like-
doing in the picture,
ำบอกยายที่เอฟ
the
แล้วกัน
heart will pump
S
You have to color it color
เอฟอะไรนะ
red. Color red
F,
is the back.
S T
Okay? Color red.
and T
Color it color red and you can also write fast or slow. Now in this picture, this is fast.
ว่า
Okay?
ว่า
You understand now?
อยู่ตรงโน้นคือว่าเขาอยู่ตรงนี้
ตอนยายไม่
เป็นตรง
ตอน
ไหน
ยายไม่รู้อันไหนอะบอก
อันนี้นอนอะไร
Picture.
นอนคือนี่เนี่ย
Who is this? Mickey Mouse. Who is this? Tell me.
ถ้า
Tom
หา
or
ยใจ
Jerry?
ถ้าหายใจไม่เหนื่อยอะไรเขาเรียกอะไร
Is this Tom or Jerry?
หายใจเต้น
Who is this in the
หัวใจ
picture?
เต้นแรงคือ
You know who is this one in the
หัว
picture?
ใจ
เต้นช้าคืออะไร
ช้า
Here in our screen, look at the screen. Is this Tom or Jerry?
ช้ามาก
Tom.
จิตมันจะมีช้า
Right? He is sleeping. So if you are sleeping, what will happen to your heart? Is your heart beat fast or slow?
ต้องถามและไหนอ่ะ
You are sleeping,
ก็ยายถึงให้หนูฟังที่เตอร์นี่ไงหนูจะได้รู้
beat
ไง
fast or slow?
เล่นไปเลย
เป็นไรอ่ะ
Will not
โอ้
move.
ยาย
Your heart
น
will
อนอ่ะมัน
beat
ส
or
โล
will
ว์
pump.
โล
ไปให้ถนัดเลย
Slow. Okay, the answer here is slow. So So you need to color green
Green.
in a box.
วิชานี้จบกับวิชา
Color green in a
ไม่รู้
box.
ทีนี้กล้องบนนั้นดูได้
So, okay, if you are sleeping,
นี่
you
เขี
are
ยนที่เนี่ย
sitting
เนี่ย
down, your heart will pump or
บอก
will
ยายผมยายจะเขียน
beat
ให้
slow.
S
Okay, so you need to color the box color
เล็กละตา
green.
L
Color the box
O
color
W
green.
W
ใช่
Okay, and you
Okay,
can put the word slow. You can put the word slow. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to this one. Oh, when you are eating.
It's slow เร็วหัวใจ
I
เต้น
already
เร็ว
put the answer. Okay, I already put the answer. So
ตอบ teacher
the heartbeat, yes, slow. When you are eating, because you are just eating, you are not moving and too much. So your heart will just beat slow. Okay, will pump slow. You understand? Okay, so you have to color green. When it is slow, color it color green. When it is fast, color red. Okay, fast, color red.
ได้แล้ว
Slow, color green. Okay? And now, I want you to open your mouth now for this one. I want you to answer this one. Okay. Okay, I think you understand already. I want you to answer this one.
ดูดิ
Okay. Then, this
ไม่เป็นไร
picture.
เดี๋ยวไปเอาใหม่ก็ได้
Fast, heart will beat
ยังมี
fast
นี่
or slow? Papa,
ยิน
in this picture,
ว้า
the heart will beat fast or slow? Fast or slow?
ว้า
Fast. Very good. How about Marine? Marine? The heartbeat here, well, is fast or slow?
ว้า
Fast. Very good. How about by Boa?
ว้า
Fast. And Jepsy?
ดูพูด
Jepsy?
ว้า
Fast. And proud. This picture, your heart will beat fast or slow? Fast or slow? Proud? Answer proud. Fast, slow. This one, your heartbeat will pump fast or slow. We are playing. Okay, when you are playing, just like what we are doing today, we are moving our body, so our heart beat fast. Okay, proud. Our heart beat fast. Can you say fast, proud? I want to hear from you, proud. Fast. Okay, very
หัวใจ
good.
เต้นแรงอันนี้หัวใจเต้นช้าอันนี้หัวใจเต้นช้า
Only in this picture.
พักผ่อน
Joy, can you say what is the
นี่ออกกำลังกายออกกำลังกายออกกำลังกาย
หนูไม่ชอบ
Your heart
ใส่หู
beat
ฟังมันดัง
fast or
เหมือน
slow?
ที่ยาไปฉีดยา
เนี่ยฟ้า
เสียงดัง
ฟังไหม
This one, fast or slow?
ฟัง
This picture, your heart will pump
โอเคฟังก็ฟัง
fast. Okay, Gypsy, this picture. Your heart will beat fast or slow?
ไปควรนั่งให้มันดีๆได้ไหมมันที่เอาไหม
Gypsy,
ไม่งั้นพูดไป
fast. Okay, fast.
อ่า
Yes, very good. Okay, and if it is fast, in your book, you have to color it color. What color?
ไปให้ที่โคโลนเสร็จหรือยัง
What you're going to color if it is fast? Color? Color?
ที่ชอบ
Fast. Color? Red. Okay? Red. You have to color your back. You have to color your back's color. Yes. Green, marine. Red and green, not yellow marine. Not yellow, green.
ที่ข้างบน
Red for yes, red for fast and green for
นะคะพูดภาพไปเลย
green.
Is it green? Oh, sorry. Oh, I thought it looks like yellow. Okay, Marian, very good. So color red fast. Color
เอง
red
ระบายรักแจ่มไง
the activities that go with
เอาใหม่สิไปไหนเขาให้รีมาตรงนี้หลังสีต้องอ่อนต้องสีเขียวตีนเอาเขียวมาใส่ทับอีกอันนี้มันสีเขียวที่ไหนอีกเขียวนึง
So you have to color red and color. Okay, this one again.
ตัวเข้าใจนะนี่นะอธิบายเนี่ย
นมแม่
This
ค่ะ
one again,
แม่
Papa.
ไม่ต้องให้เรากินนมแม่
Papa, this one
ล
is.
องดูสิ
This one, the heart rate in this picture is
นี่หัวใจเต้นเร็วหรือช้า
fast or slow. Again,
นี่ฝ่าย
fast. And you will color your bags color
red
แม่
red. Very good. And Marine, look at here,
และ
Marine.
ระบาย
Look at here, Marine. Marine, I want to hear from you.
ทุกคนคิด
Okay. Fast. And you will color your bags color red. Okay, very good. By Boa.
ไปบัว
By Boa. The heart rate in this picture is by Boa. By Boa. Okay, the color of the box is red. And the heart rate is
เขาบอกว่า
fast or slow.
นี่เพราะว่าหนูจะไป
By Boa.
ใบบัวที่เจ้าถาม
วัด
Fast or slow. This one. Fast. Okay, very good, by Boa. So you need to color this one color red.
กระโดด
If it is fast. Jepsy, I want to hear from you. Jepsy, what you're going to color if the heartbeat is fast? What you're going to color? Color?
ติดมั่ง
Color?
เจ็บเจ็บสินี่
Jepsy, you will color your bags color?
ไม่ฟัง
Jepsy, color?
สีเขียว
You will use color? If it is fast,
นี่
color
สี
red.
แดงก็ใส่ไม่
ได้
ดี
ยินเสียงน้องร้อง
Okay, Gypsy, you need to color your bags color red.
แต่รู้เมื่อไรเราไม่ได้
Have you answered already, Gypsy? Have you answered your book? And also, Frau, have you answered
แด
your
ง
book,
เผ็ดยางแดง
Frau?
กินนู่นน่ะ
Okay, this one, still you have to
อันแรกสี
color
อะไร
red for fast. Okay? Have you sent the color? I color here, color red for
เข้ม
the
ดีเลย
for
โอเค
อันนี้
fast.
เข้มดีอ่ะ
เยี่ยมแล้ว
Frau, you understand? Frau, have you answered your book, Frau?
ดูสี
Have you
มันไหนมัน
answered
รู
your
ด
book, Frau? And Gypsy, and Marine, and Baiboa. Papa also answered, you answered already your book, right? And Oi, have you answered your book already? Okay, you have to color the box red for fast.
And
If the-
finish all.
Okay, very good. You are all very good. So for this
Yeah.
one, if you're not moving so fast like that when you are sleeping, or when you are eating something, or when you are watching TV, when you are just sitting down like this.
This one is low.
Oh yes, our heart beat slow, and in your book, you need to color green for slow. Okay, and let's go for this one. When you are eating, our heartbeat will, okay, color green for slow. Okay, you understand all? Does everybody understand? Have you answered your book? Have you answered your book already?
เด็กทำไมถึงกินอย่างนี้
Why have you answered your book?
ฮะ
ก็กินอาหารเอาด้วยนะไม่กินมุมเลยอ่ะ
Very good. Okay, Frau, have you answered your book, Frau?
เวลากินก็ต้องกลุ่มรวมนั่งกินอย่างเขาได้เห็นไหม
Have you answered your book,
กินก็คืออารมณ์
Frau?
ดีได้กินได้ยาก
You finished? You answered your book?
ไม่ต้องอะไร
ไม่ต้องไปวิ่ง
You answered it already,
หา
Frau?
กินไงเวลากินแล้วก็นั่งกินให้มันสุภาพเรียบร้อยแล้วก็ใจหัวใจก็เต้น
Okay. So you have to
ปกติไง
answer Yellow, green, and red only. Okay? All of you understand? All of you understand? And you have you answered already? Have you answered already? I cannot hear you, proud. I cannot hear you, proud. You have to face your book. It's not facing to me, proud. Proud, you'd have to face it opposite, like that. Yes. Are you finished?
Yes.
Yeah, very
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I think you all finished already, and thank you. I'm happy that you understand. And for those who did not attend the Zoom class, you have to do like this. You have to answer in this worksheet. Color green for the slow heartbeat and color red for the fast heartbeat. Okay. So thank you so much, K3, for listening and for your cooperation for answering all the question here. Thank you so much. I want to say thank you so much to all of you for listening. Okay, very good, Pepsi. Yes. Color yet, Pepsi? You have to color it now, Jepsy. You understand, Gypsy? You have to color. You understand?
You have follow.
Color.
You have follow.
Oh, okay. So you have to color it later, okay? You have to color it later, and I know you understand already. So I want to say thank you to all of you for listening. Okay, K3. All for today. I want to see your heart sign. I want to see your heart sign now so you can rest. Okay. Heart sign now, all of you. Thank you, K3. You are so smart. K3, all K3 are so smart. I'm so proud of you, okay? Okay, let's bye-bye. Thank you, thank you, K3. I love you. We have to take care of our heart, okay? This is our topic for today. We have to take care of our heart, okay? We need to keep our heart happy, okay? Okay, so thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow, K3. Bye.
Bye-bye.
What is that, Marine? Bye, thank you.
Lênไปด้วยบายบายก็บายบายไป
Bye-bye.
Din